amani pa binum etu fama gudi wo mayi mutie be de na gadamse no yatimi atu ase a eno so kire ho nsem sei
galamsey se nipa ebeye kanokra se ya set special court ene yeso mu straight court yeso mu straight court nka galamsey nipa ho bepopo ba to soldier for any police for aban penny for ekugum na omukọ hu se ne galamsey na no more nkasa apel monkrofo no mokobi aban na nkasa wote so no referring to the NDC government per se I mean aban ahoro aban nkasa wote so no ade ne koso a ese no na ogusu ma consensus uju matumi nkrata sa manfo nko na we ye
Liberty FM
eti eno ho ensem APN no na ne krakra mu wo ye wura ni nkasa ye mu ana wade tu dwase gadamse ne de asetu no ebayadin ezan say ye kese aban awodo a wono ma ba twam se NPPO se NDCO akuadonkofo de ye ma ye nti ye nka ho omoa mu nipa ena etu gadamse nti ama aban no eya ontumi emfekire ne se enka asem no entim se sanse emu nipa na etu ade no oma ye ntie
Wesimati group omunyina no na ada no da Ghana for because aban nkasa ho nkrofo aban na also stop galamsey no ono ankasa ne nkrofo egum bibraye galamsey and then the kire say you are ready to stop the galamsey wankasa uyebi ufwa do ni kuro galamsey jo mahama matese ni kuro galamsey kosese omwankasa omukuro mumufitire omwaban na ankasa aban no tese ni minister the party executive biri ankasa ka galamsey no there's a directive for aban ne beba no ne nkrofo ankasa mponi fo ka ho no me galamsey no ne nkrofo ka ho nti no ontimi nti obi se ne oso che no
na esa utimo sa no ayedin aban no ankasa nkrofo ka ho de a ekobasa asietuo no ebedin enti we no aban no mohwe mo aye na montwem ho firi sa gadamse ni ehon sensem mi opani ya wote ne nkan ayo opani ya eba ne se bambo pa no a wakoda ewon pa potokasa se yeso oye security expert owura Andrew Asiedu tete ena wone Kayaso bo nkomo ena no peyi wasukusia wutie Liberty adokrum bionu na chiripo enson kasa fidie so yento akase no so na yenko gyinamu ewo ensem fofrom na enchaye bia ena bandada me kire NPP wo so no kokoro amanyoko ya na his excellency na adu dankwa akufu adu premier show by adu gagai na oda no so omampani wonom ede fame kwanto aso suku free SHS ebaye na suku yi ebaye no na wo hwe a omaimu no suku ni friend public schools nkwana na eye adwuma wom na ehadwini ye pa ema ankrankre suku binom de won sabo yem sendei fame kwanto aso suku no baye no aka ho bia ma won suku nyina agugugu na won pai bo ne senka baye no de wonom beka ho na ma won nso dwumade ye wonom edi ne atime wie peye ajaba jananya bedris excellency John Dramani mama ba ye enrada krata ba bonten e de atudwa kirim se aya ankrankra suku makoma adusia ena ye kesei wonom de wo ato suku ya ye fen se fame kwanto aso suku free SHS no so se wonom emra na afi wo meboa enka obi ma ne manyina akon kan enam so ema ye kesei opani ya wono ena oba atoye atifi mantamu a ono ena oye titrani edeba ankrankra suku awodo e wo han won kabomku ye kase ono kro ya ena suku ya ye friend say daddy's and mommy school complex ene de ayo friend say Daniel Boyson na ye rai ena akasa woni nuanom ankrankra suku awodo nyina andam titrani atoye TV bantami mu akasa de atudwa kire say oh aban no ayade free SHS ba na anu ya e shaase ne de e kan ho bi ema o madwuma guye papa ya ebinum kra no wonom ede won sa bo won yam etinde aban ya ba na so the free SHS no at the private school account ho a ma opiafo
any just some private schools for the secondary cycle no in fact for the initiative in no your juma nyina aguye because it wasn't easy for a parent to send a back to private school okotu yesika because everybody wants a free thing parents ni nyina call the free secondary school nti aguye juma but for now government na ma yemu bi no I learned 60 private schools in the country start I believe say time moving on no or the nyina beba beka stream no it's a very good initiative your baba no so ye ka say onye bi because Oliver twist once more e bi hye enuma na yetutu bi ka ho tikakra na be hye enum na yestress aban nsa ntutu bi na yemfa nka ho be boaye
mo na ye rai ekasa bio na okasa ya na o kire mo say ankran suku ya wonom go man mu no wonom nam ohaw ne abenedie mu papa ya ka sei empo se bosome so akakra mpo na wonom de betua akyerɛkyerɛfo ka no na akoye den ana ohwe oman mu so a wonom aboa pa ama ne yefrɛ sɛ infrastructure deficit sanka adisuafo ya wonom wo oman go bia so okɔ aban suku anka dan be bu no betenam enei ankran suku no aboa ye pa ama enema atimi akoyie enti wɔsra aban no sɛ aban no hyehyɛ mu no ɔnhwɛ nanka ankran suku akyerɛkyerɛfo no lala sulela nkakra bia de anka bosome so anka ɔnhwɛ ntia wonka sɛ de bɛya enema bekoye na afi akade awodo bia wonom behia no nso no books awodo ya wonom de ma public schools no wonom kai ankran suku awodo no so.
The government is having infrastructural deficit on education, truly infrastructural deficit on education. Infrastructural deficit no affect Abia to a point in time in government politics no. Me as a private individual, I'm supporting the government in education because Abia can't mean building infrastructures no. So we are taking almost at least the burden on infrastructural deficit for the government. And only the biggest problem now Abia one ayabeso ni mu no. Ye fees ebe charge cannot pay our teachers. One factor. Economy ni mu peja kakra pe you can't even buy goods from outside. One factor is say aban betimi enema ho be higher emu ba ko ne say subsidize your teachers no. Is aban for teachers no car at least eno be boa cause the free SSS na ma private school meaning say your teachers na we sector no. Ye hwese nka aban betu omo ka. These are the policies nim say nka modify education e ba na ke ba so private schools nim. But eno amma na nka hwe nim say nka aban be ni such we say he absorb our teachers. Yes our teachers. The government at the end of every term no be kan kwala do e wo. Mi so we say bi akola bi aban be ma no 200 series. Na me won kwala 200 times 200 population. No, this is because subsidize the government and support the government with infrastructures.
Na ne krakra mu na yewra ora Daniel Boysen no den sam ekwa awie no kirem se Gana ade se beka ya enche ye bia na omampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ne se ene nsabuo hu haunti no obo modern se o chiche sanitary pad e de maywa ya won madu ompani fie so se de be ya ndei se kodu se wonom ebu onsa enkofa ohaw ne abenedie bia emfa emra wonom na ve ohaw ne amane ya wonom fa mu no eso ebetumi ate ede ama wonom na wabra san hye ba na chese ya asemode na so ye kase aba no bombode eyi ankrankra suku efirimu ena ochem se sa na monto ya aba no tu ye ne de entwa ye kra esan se ye kasa se oba oman bo oman hye mu se ye che oman japade national cake no eso oman ba bia so nya bi na be den na ye de omayito ya yetua ya adehye ya wonom wankurankura suku omo papa nom ne maame nom etua eto ebe den na aban se oche sanitary pad obeyi mofra na firim saa na montuo na aban no tuye ne de ye wura che se antwa yi enti aban no onko na onsan emra bi moma yentie mu nsem.
We care about sanitary pad now, government, no, the public school. No. In fact, taxpayers' money. And looking at the country, private school children, I'm also a citizen of this country. Makasa say me one say one of the FM stations say, na taxpayers' money now say, oh, chest sanitary pad and Magana and Kuala. Why do you exempt private school children? Are they not part of the country? Young fan say, ne papa ne choose to go to private school. That doesn't mean say a Ghana cake now. These children are supposed to be exempted. The national cake, school fees na untia masa Kuala, but national cake concerning sanitary pad dear. But our school free. In fact, it is not fair on the side of Inqualano, not the private school owner. The culture ban say on some connection with this policy. Now, consider private school on this aspect of the sanitary part. Government books concerning new curriculum books. I can say GS. No man and so these are the curriculum. I dey children Kualana. Also, my private school. No, it's on coin of Kofa curriculum. No, they have a charade. What they are my public school. Am I? Yes, we need to they control one exams common BC. Into your Kofa textbooks no way.
Openi ya wotene kai openi ya obato ya ativi mantemu a ankrankra suku ya ewo ha no ono ene tirani abedi akire ya oda omano na ya kasai oye peni kofa baye e de masuku e friend say daddies and mommy school complex ya was a hwioso mansinim owura Daniel Boysen ena wotene nka say woni yen ebo nkobo wo yen kase ebomu a wonso wanya bi atie amande magina enso etimi ekoso ha ye liberty adukunum yenu na chiripo enson kasa video so ena waso eguso ya wutie enwere no nan kase ena waso guso ya wutie wodi ane se ko Facebook okwa my liberty fm like share wadwenkyere ya aka chire no faguo mebrepam ye begebre na yakenkan ni nyina enso edi amawo Ghana de share ma yentra kase no so ye tra kase no so eda so a ejinamu ewo enwomasuamu na enwoma sua ya ye gina mu yi no na ye de ani eda so gina mu ewo sahwiyo so mansini emu na sade be ya enwoma sua mapabet mafa ne tampa frenti empanisi wonsom eno ane enipa ewiase baakofo ensa entumi enkata otwedi aponyankopon nitidane da gina no ye hwe ani mu se enmago awodo ne adehye ya nyankopon adawba wato mobotom se tam na sika na buso no momfa bi nkwaboa sade be ya yensuku betimi agina ne nan so anam so ama ye kese adwumago baako ya ense abayase ya potokase yese non governmental organization baako ya your friend say Touch Life Foundation and they say wonom ed womadi achem wo sahwi so mansini makoginem ewo St Joseph Senior High School ya ewo sahwi so mansini yimu datando ene ne patemu ene sukuu yi ewo ya wonom akoye adoye chenchereche pa ade ama anwomasuafo ya wonom agentete ewo sukuu no mu na hwe aka de awodo ya yefe admaku anase ekuo ya ensa abayase yefre won se Touch Life Foundation ade kwama adesuafo ya na wotimi wo se eyade esombo pa engoma awodo ya wonom ebekenkan potokasam yese textbook and afenso no mathematical set ma set bi na ebi kika woni aka de awodo ya bedumi aboa mangoma suama pa atimi afa ne tampa afra dwumadie no ase enam so emansamtwerefo ne opani ya wono ena esi ekuo anase adwumakuo ya ensa abayase friend say Touch Life Foundation ne nkrabata ye wo atoye TV banta opani ya wosi wo manem na ndra dwumadie ya ase no ono de si wo manem ede akande nyina ema ye ema me gifti amufa okasa na ochem se wo mani suadi hu se danda nyina meboa ama ngoma sua mapa afa ntampa afira eno achi wono beboa ama ku adwuma enso atimi akoso anafe apomden so yade a ehia won yie pa na no na ka ho bi ama wono de wo mani akire mu ewo sahwi yo so mansini mu abegina mu ewo St Joseph Senior High School akwakotu saa na moyi na ochem se weje de dikan kra ya wono maba sahwi yo so anasa atoye TV bantami mu aba beye ajapade anasa do ya hodo ede asoma adehye na mama yentie wa bra na o kire ensemu no
ewie Touch Life aba St Joseph ye bota ye nyina ne se Touch Life ye yin se ye ba West North na ye nso ye nim se ye eba ye nwomasuam mu ye pomodin mu kuayo mu ye mbebre na ehia moa nti ye ba se ye beboa nwomasua ye beboa kuaye afi nso ye pomodin so nti ye di boost aba na ye de ebema St Joseph ye di kan we nya de di kan ya ba West North ye di kan aba akokuro bi te se bobra akocheche ntade ye tosu mienu a ya ba ene St Joseph ha se ye beche books assets na edwumadie ne nso de eto ntwaye ye kosoa aboa ewo nwomasuam mu ewo apomudin mu na fe nso ebedumre mi nso ebeboa kuafo ewo sene ebe yomo no baye ebetumi aso aba na so doso na boa Ghana yempuntuo ne mpese me ka kira wofo ane se ye hwe yempuntuo ewo ye fa ha na enkwa anim sa na Touch Life nso yenkwa yentimi nye nti afoforo NGO sa hodo aba West North no moma ye nyina yenka mom na yemmoa emma West North mpuntuo ntimi nkonka
opani ya wote ne kan ayamame ya wono enesi Touch Life Foundation anamu awo atoye LTV man tamu ayamame ya friends gifty amufa ana wabra ogina maku anase koya namu na oya adoye no ode nsemi etu edwa na enochi ana opani ya wogina suku friends St Joseph Senior High School anamu na ve oje niema yi aye achechefo gina won pani ya wo school meche headmaster ya owo school num aye Reverend Father Anthony Opon oje niema no na wo se empani se enipa ya ade ma wa osayiyesie ni kajanso no ya na eni aseda enti wo de aseda piesie pa ade ema Touch Life Foundation Sunday wonom atimi akai St Joseph Senior High School na fe wa beye adoye soronko ade ama wonom wada o masiye pa ekasa de tudwa se Sadia Portocasa yese Oliver Trace will always ask for more no suku no wonom nya akade awodo pi ya ebetumi aboti tiri ne se shen kura na wonom edibedi dwuma basis awodo ana fe ohwe department awodo cars awodo na gese wonom di dwuma no suku no kwatere kwa 11 wonom edibi entimpanifo ne adehye aban ana fe nso no adehye ya ebi wo wonsem no wonom ra meboa St Joseph Senior High School esanse suku no ebo ne hombode pa aye e watoye atifi mantam yi emu
I'm very grateful for receiving these items on behalf of my students. You know, mathematics has been a course that so many students are afraid of. So with the support from Touch Life Foundation and Visconde Fund, you know that it is going to demystify mathematics, and I believe that it is going to go a long way to help us. And I'm appealing to wherever my voice goes. This is an NGO from the Netherlands. They've come to support us. St. Joseph is a new school, but unfortunately, we lack so many things, including vehicles. You don't even have any, no bus, no vehicle for administrative use. So I'm using your media to appeal to whoever would want to come to our aid, because come to the Western North region, we are doing well academically and discipline. So I thank these people who have come to our help. And just as Oliver, tries to say, we need more.
We need more. Not just in Yadodon one, what a dear, Yadodon wa. Openi ya woteni ken aya church for penny me headmaster. Ya oda suku ya your friend say St. Joseph Senior High School. Ya was a you also mentioned that tando enen in petemu. Aya Reverend Father Anthony Opon. Ana oteni kase wajibre achen sama wudum sei. Ede atreyin. Na ne kura mu ana disuafo ya wo nsa eka akade bi kirem se. Ya ne yensa aka na yenso ene yepese ye che ani so. Ede kirem panifo wa do yesonko ya wonom ayama na pani aka to se wiase. Onipa ye bayifo enkwa nani sabio enso ade.
They've given us maths and mathematical textbook. Indeed, some of us did not have the money to buy it, and since we have received this gift, we are going to kill ourselves and learn the books for them in order to attain a better future and come out with flying colors. Together we say God bless them and may God restore them wherever they got the money from.
I'm not appreciated for what Touch Life has done for us. They've done immense things for us, and I'm even spellbounded about things. Talking about the books that they have shared, very appreciated, very flabbergasted, and I do appreciate about what they have done.
On the behalf of the foreman, I want to say a very big thank you to our distinguished guests for the gift given to us. May the good Lord bless them.
I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude for Touch Life Association and the Netherlands Association for giving us this textbook and this mathematical set. It is indeed an honor, and I know that they seek to brighten our horizon upon our mathematical aspect, which is also a benefit to us. So we thank them dearly for this gift they have given us, and we used to bring out the best in us, improvise and make good use of it. We thank Touch Life dearly.
Mo ultimo sa mo frey brofo de omanwa wo papa sa brofo yanka brofo obua enye edi binom de no and they go and they come no enye edu bia we ye brofo ankasa ya mpanifo aseda ache wono ma mo frey ultimo se ade na afa edi ama wono mo a eno ho nsem ebi na wote se wono ma gebre acheche ensem awodo mu